In this video, we'll be showing you how to take text in Illustrator and convert it to outlines. You may receive a message on your artwork checking report stating that your fonts need to be outlines. When you submit your artwork, you want to outline your text, as we may not have your specific font accessible for use. This also ensures that the text is printed exactly how you want it. Start off by selecting your text. You can use your mouse to select the text or press Ctrl-A on PC or Command-A on Mac to select everything on your artboard. Next, go to Type and scroll down to Create Outlines. That is how you take your text and turn it into outlines with Adobe Illustrator.